In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your videos in Filmora to their original size. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so you can see I have here a video that I added on my timeline. However, if you went ahead and tampered with the settings and you ended up with such a video clip that does not fill or does not cover the whole frame here, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and restore. To restore, just go ahead and click on the timeline and then click on edit option that is here. If you click on it, go ahead and open this option called transform. This will show the scale of your video. So instead of showing 100%, it is at 64.53, and that's why this scale appears too small on this platform. To restore it to its original size, or to make sure that it fills all this space, just go ahead and click on this icon to preset it to its original size and shape. And look at that, the scale has been restored to its original size. So if I go ahead and play it, you can see now it has filled this. Now this is a 16:9 ratio video. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.